Let's explore the secret of how A4 paper is made. Surely everyone has used A4 paper before, but do you know how A4 paper is made? In today's video, we will explore the process of making paper. Sounds boring, right? Don't worry, I'll tell you in a way that's really interesting and engaging. I guarantee you won't be able to take your eyes off the screen. So, let's get started. Explore the process of creating A4 paper. Getting the materials ready is the first step in the paper making process. Wood fibres, recycled fibres and other materials are used to make paper. Wood fibres are prepared by harvesting trees, transporting them to a pulp mill and turning them into wood chips. In the fibre separation stage, a variety of pulping technologies are used. The chips are held in a large pressure cooker, then the appropriate chemicals are added during the grinding process. Next, the chips are cooked with steam at a specific temperature to separate the fibres and dissolve some of the lignin and other extractives. Some digesters operate continuously, with liquor being added in batches. Raw pulp contains a significant amount of lignin and other discoloration agents and thus must be bleached to produce the light or white paper colour preferred for many products. The fibres are further separated by dissolving additional lignin from cellulose through the process of chlorination and oxidation. Sodium hydroxide, a strong base, is used to separate the dissolved lignin from the fibre surface. The bleaching agents and the order in which they are used depend on a number of factors, such as type and condition of the pulp. Forming is an important step in the paper making process, involving converting pulp into a continuous sheet of paper on a paper machine. A paper machine is a complex device that typically consists of several components, such as forming, pressing, drying and calendering. The forming process is where the pulp is converted into a continuous sheet of paper. In the forming section, a slurry of pulp is pumped onto a moving screen or belt. As the pulp travels along the screen, water drains off and the fibres begin to bond together to form a wet web of paper. The consistency and speed of the pulp feed stream are carefully controlled to ensure that the sheet of paper has the desired properties, such as strength, smoothness and thickness. The wet web of paper is then passed through the pressing section, where it is squeezed between two or more rolls to remove more water and improve the density and strength of the paper. Next, the paper is dried in the drying section using heated steam cylinders, and then it may go through the calendering section to improve the smoothness and gloss of the surface. In the control room, the engineer makes sure that everything goes according to schedule. The camera shows cellulose fibres being pressed flat against each other at speeds of 60 miles per hour. Paper is made, it is often rolled up into large rolls of paper called jumbo rolls, which can be several meters wide and weigh several tons. These giant rolls of paper are then transported to a converting plant where they are cut into smaller rolls or sheets and packaged for sale. The cutting process typically involves passing the jumbo roll through a series of large cutting blades, cutting it into smaller rolls or sheets of the desired size. These cutting blades can be adjusted to produce rolls or sheets of different widths and lengths to meet customer requirements. This is the process of transforming a giant roll of white paper into a stack of smaller A4 sheets. After the paper has been cut to size, it is often packaged in protective packaging to prevent damage during shipping and handling. This packaging can be made from materials such as plastic or paper, and may be printed with information about the paper product, such as weight, grade and manufacturer. Overall, cutting and packaging are essential steps in the paper making process because they ensure that the finished product meets the specific needs of customers and is protected during shipping and storage. Thanks for watching this video today. We hope you found this information useful. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. We're also always happy to answer any questions or comments you have about the video. So leave some comments below and I'll see you next time.